Do you have a girlfriend?
Against the other. She want fuck with a star. I'm a bust in her face, so call my mascara. Bang.
So I'm doing this at night, but yeah, I did best. Yeah. Cause the day just get ruined. Yeah. So first question is, do you have a girlfriend? Yes, I have a girlfriend. Yeah, I have a girlfriend. And she's so loyal to me. She's pretty. So yeah, I have a girlfriend. Alright, next question. Next question is now, if you had a girlfriend, if you, if you, hold on, let me sit back over. If you had a girlfriend, if you see her cheat, see her with a next nigga, would you cheat on her? Well, if we say alright, alright, the question hot. The question is hot. The question is very hot. Well, if we, well, the question is kind of puzzling, but it kind of hot. If we see a if we see a cheap next nigga, well, what would I do? I wouldn't cheat. Well, alright. She know she would have gone away. But if cheat, well, if she cheat on me, right? If she cheat on me, she can go on. But if, if me a cheat back to, no. Well, no. Well, if a circumstances, if into her like that, I like say love her, yeah. And if she not fake love or whatever, yeah. If me into her, yeah, that means if she not if she gone next nigga, yeah, with a cheap on her, and she try to come back, me not want her back. Simple. But if 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 what me I say, if she cheat and whatever, me will just focus on myself, and just have every next relationship come, just take it. So yeah, but if me love her like that, and she stay and she go cheat, and so me, me will left her, like back next woman, yeah, yeah. So it go. So just go. So guys, so yeah. This next question is, which one do you like? The bots, what bots? Let me get that right. Are boobs? Oh, where darker? A human body or as a drink? Where if a woman body where me not where me no want to ban me, but the B word, right? The boobs, yeah, yeah. So next question. And done. These are three little questions. This person, this one supporter. Big up yourself, T. Because me left our Instagram name down in the description. Send me some more tea. Send me some more so we can just finish them. So we can finish them. So send me some more questions for the hot seat. So we can do it in our tomorrow video. So send me some more questions. Yes, send them some look my questions, alright? Yeah, so if you like the video, make sure like, comment, share, and subscribe to Post Question Bell to drop a new video. Yeah, so we answer our three questions. Yeah, so one door come for me. And say about a night, but we can do part two still. We can do part two. So yeah, so say about a night, say about the darkness and stuff. But then next week I'm like on screen here. Yeah, me have my light on. So so obvious. But question one question hot though. One question hot. Yeah. So you start the title for the video. If you like the video, subscribe if you're new. Yeah. And this is Jake one so easy. They are out. So many part two T, many part two from you. Need part two. So yeah. So soon about in a part two also. Yeah. If yeah. So big up yourself. Thanks for tuning. Yeah. We're out.